welcome to my YouTube channel! My name is Canan and today I wanted to share this full face makeup tutorial, New Year's Eve inspired, and I only used drugstore products just because I thought everyone spends so much money on like Christmas presents or whatever, so that you didn't want to spend that much money on New Year's Eve as well. So why not create a cute makeup tutorial look with less money? So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is definitely priming my face. So I'm using this hydrating face primer from e.l.f. I'm using like one pump and just put that all over my skin. Next we're moving on to foundation, and I'm using this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. It's the Matte and Poreless one in 105. And even though my skin is so dry lately, I think this still works for me. So let's jump into this. I even use this on a daily basis, to be honest, but I always mix it with my MAC foundation. But since this is a drugstore tutorial, I'm not going to use any MAC products just because they are obviously not drugs. I'm just using this like Real Techniques beauty sponge and dab this beautiful foundation all over my face, and I'm trying to cover these pimples right here. Next I'm going to jump into concealer, and unfortunately I don't have a liquid concealer right now from the drugstore, so I'm just using this concealer stick. It's from e.l.f. and it's pretty good, so I'm going to use it. Of course, again I'm blending this in with my beauty sponge. Now let's set all of this concealer, and I'm using my all-time favorite Brighten Up Banana Powder Pressed Powder from Essence. Hands down, this is the very best powder, not even only drugstore, but I use this like every day. It's so good, you guys, I love it. So this is basically the powder, and what I'm going to do is I'm just taking like this beauty sponge, dab that in here and press it underneath my eyes to set the concealer. And whatever's left on the sponge, I'm just going to dab it around my face. I do look so pale, oh my gosh. I think I need some fake tan, I don't know. Next we're jumping into contouring. So I'm using this powder kit right here. I'm only doing powder contouring lately just because I'm too lazy to put on any like liquid contouring on my face. And so yeah, I'm just using this one right here. This one is from Catrice and it's like a double package. You get like a contouring side and like a highlighter one as well. And I think this works amazing, so of course I'm going to use this one. So I'm basically just taking an angled brush and try to contour. I do have a pretty like round face, so it's nearly impossible, right? I will be doing the highlighting later on after I finish like the eye makeup and stuff, so let's jump into what should we do next. I think eyebrows. Yeah, eyebrows. So currently I'm not using anything at all for my eyebrows, just brushing them and then I actually leave the house and that's basically it. But my all-time favorite is also from the drugstore and it's a Catrice one. Oh, we do have so many all-time favorites in this video, right? So I highly recommend these products, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm using this Catrice Eyebrow Stylist pencil. This is the darkest shade. Actually, they only have two, unfortunately, but this one works perfectly for me. It's just like a pencil, and what I'm going to do is just like underline my eyebrows and fill them in a little to make it all look like nice, neat, and still natural. And this pencil lasts for so long, you guys. I did have another one from Catrice and I finished it in like 3 weeks or something. But this Stylist Pro pencil, it lasts you so long, honestly. But yeah, the only minus is that they only have 2 shades. So next we're moving on to my favorite part of the whole eye makeup or whole like face makeup. What am I even talking? I don't know, I'm just so excited. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in ages and I'm so excited. So, oh gosh, you guys, I got this Essence Ho 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 holiday collection like 1 month ago or something, and I only like swatched it a little bit. I haven't used it in a whole like eye makeup look, so I wanted to do this now with you. So this is a live review, live test as well, and I think it's so gorgeous. It's got matte and shimmery shades in here, I guess. Yeah, mostly shimmery and also one glitter one. Should we try this glitter one out? I think we should, right? I'm so curious, you guys. I always start my makeup with a beautiful transition shade, so I think I'm going for this shade right here because it looks beautiful. So let's see if this is pigmented, and oh, this girl looks pigmented. Oh my gosh, I'm always so excited when it's about trying new eyeshadows, so let's see if this is working. Oh, this girl is pigmented. You guys, what did I do? It's too much, right? Okay, we're going to fix this later on. But it's so pretty. Yeah, this one turned out a little better. It maybe looks the same, but okay, this color is stunning. Why did I not use this palette in like a whole December month? Oh my gosh. And this is drugstore. Are you kidding me? I spent money on high quality makeup, like high-end kind of makeup, and this drugstore palette, you guys. I love it. Did you all see my double chin? I hope you did, because it's there. It does exist. So yeah. What do we do now? Shall we go for like a red or like this? Oh, I think I'm using this one right here. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm using this one. It's like copper. Is it copper? I think it's copper. So let's see if this is as pigmented as the transition shade. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, you guys, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. So shimmery. Oh, so beautiful. Like honestly, this palette did like cost me €8. Like what? I think I even got like a discount or something. So I only paid like even less, I think €6 or something. Okay, this is pretty. This is so beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh. Also like these pimples. I can still see you. I can still see you. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh gosh, you guys. It's so pretty. Okay, so where do we put this like glitter now? Do we put it on top as well? I think we put it on top. Shall we? I think we should. A little bit, just like a tiny bit. Should we try it out? Yes, I think. I don't even know if it's going to stick on top or if I'm going to use like glitter glue, but we're just going to try it out. Okay. Oh, it does stick on top. Okay, I'm just putting this on the center of my eyelid and oh gosh, it's cute. Oh gosh. It's literally so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love it. Why did I not use this earlier? Oh my gosh. There's just so many palettes right now I want to try out and stuff, and I don't find any time to or any motivation. Can you see this? Can you see a girl's glow? I love it. If you can see my face right now, I'm smiling like so hard. Oh my gosh, I love it. So what do we do next? I think our line underneath my eyes. Do you say it like that? I don't even know. So I think I'm using the same transition shade again I used earlier and kind of focus that underneath my lower lash line. Ooh, it's powdery. But it does match, so it looks cute. I like it. Okay, so even though I love this eye makeup look so much right now, I'm still going to try this baby right here out. It's one of the newest like holiday collection from Catrice, and it's the limited edition Glitter Storm liquid liner. So it's an eyeliner in like glittery green, and I'm dying to try this. So I'm going to try this now because it's going to match my earrings, I guess, like the tassels of it. So I'm done with the eyeliner now, and I've got mixed feelings about it just because like the tip is super stiff, it doesn't feel like nice applying, and it feels kind of okay. I don't know, it looks like cute and festive because it's a little bit of glowy, but I don't think if you can actually see that it's a green liner, so I don't know, but I still like it. So let's move on to mascara, and I picked this Essence mascara right here. It's from the drugstore, obviously. So we are going to apply this now. Next we're going to put on some lipstick, and I got the holiday collection from Catrice right here. It's the Glitter Storm one as well, and it's this shimmery red right here, and I'm dying to try this out. The packaging looks bomb. This is what it looks like. I think it appeared so much redder in the package, but it turned out to be like a little bit of pink as well, but it looks cute and sparkly and I like it. Okay, so next I'm going to highlight, and I'm using this duo again I used for like my contouring as well. I'm using like this highlighting side and just applied it onto over my cheekbones kinda. And yeah, this Catrice one is pretty good. It looks natural. And also like on my nose a little bit. And now to get that extra kind of glow, to get festive for New Year's Eve, I'm using this holiday collection from Catrice as well. As you can see, there's a lot of holiday collections in this video But yeah, I'm using this gel highlighter. It feels unreal, you guys, and it's glittery, it looks cute, and yeah, I'm going to use this a little bit. What I'm doing is basically just put like a finger in it and pop that on my cheeks. And a little bit on my nose as well. And just blend that in with my finger, and it gives you a nice glow. And I'm using like my tiny one to pop that in the inner corner of my eye as well, to get that glow right here. Also, you can also pop it underneath your brow bone. Just like that. You could even put on falsies, but I'm not going to do that. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up, please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications whenever I post a new video, guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!